Bottle cap creatures. Materials: bottle cap creature template, bottle caps, construction paper, permanent marker, hole punch, craft stick, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, pencil, glue. The bottle cap creature's craft is inspired by the artwork of Michelle Stitzline, whose opaque chalk moth is part of the Appleton Museum of Art's permanent collection, and her collaborative work with the local students is on display in the art space. Uncapped Beauty is an example of one collaborative artwork. To make the bottle cap creatures, cut out the bear, sheep, and turtle shapes from the template and trace them on construction paper: brown paper for the bear, white paper for the sheep, and green paper for the turtle. Cut out the shapes from the paper. Cut out a small white oval shape for the top of the sheep's head, 2 even smaller black ovals for the ears, a small pink circle for the nose, and 2 tiny black circles for the eyes. For the turtle, cut out 16 small green circles for the shell and 2 tiny black circles for the eyes. You can even use a hole punch if desired. For the bear, cut out 2 small light brown circles, a light brown oval, a small black oval for the nose, and 2 tiny black circles for the eyes. Glue a bottle cap onto the green paper turtle shape. Glue the green dots to the back of the bottle cap and the black eyes to the turtle's head. Glue a finished turtle onto a craft stick. For the bear, glue a brown bottle cap to the bear shape. Glue the light brown circles for the ears and the light brown oval on the bottle cap as the bear's muzzle. Glue the small black oval on the light brown oval for the bear's nose. Glue the tiny black circles for the eyes and draw the bear's mouth. Glue the finished bear onto a craft stick. For the sheep, glue a white bottle cap onto the sheep shape. Glue the white oval, black ears, pink nose, and tiny black eyes on top of the bottle cap. Draw a mouth with a marker. Glue the finished sheep onto a craft stick. Now you have some bottle cap creatures. You can use the template to continue making as many bottle cap creatures as you want. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.